Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson DC32. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, if your Dyson DC32 is emitting a strange smell and losing suction, it's likely due to a clogged filter or a blockage in the system. This can happen over time, especially if the vacuum has been used extensively without proper maintenance. If left unresolved, these issues can lead to more significant damage, potentially costing you more in repairs or even necessitating a replacement. For this repair, you'll need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a replacement filter, and a cloth to clean any debris. First, ensure your Dyson DC32 is unplugged to guarantee safety during the repair. Start by removing the canister from the vacuum. Press the button on the handle, allowing it to lift away easily. Next, locate the filter compartment. It's usually found near the top of the vacuum. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the compartment cover. Be cautious while doing this to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the cover is off, you'll see the filter inside. Carefully pull the old filter out, noting how it is positioned as you do so. This will help you correctly place the new filter later. When you have the old filter out, take a moment to inspect the compartment for any dust or blockages. Use your cloth to wipe it clean, ensuring no debris remains that could affect the new filter. Now, take your new filter and insert it into the compartment, ensuring it sits snugly in place. Once the filter is correctly positioned, replace the compartment cover and press it down until it clicks securely. After that, reattach the canister to the vacuum. Give it a gentle push until you hear it click back into place. Now, plug in your Dyson DC32 and turn it on to see if the suction has improved and whether the strange smell has dissipated. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from happening again, make sure to regularly clean or replace your filter according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Additionally, empty the canister frequently and check for blockages in the hose and brush bars. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.